Hi everybody, well today we have a pickup in Martin, Michigan. Excited, Andy?
Yes.
I'm excited because I'm getting some stuff for the lake so I can sit out there and enjoy it a little better.
That's great.
And I have some stuff over here. That's jewelry, I think, right? Jewelry stuff?
Yeah, so
Okay.
it's from the other auction.
Alright, here we go.
Actually, we might be going the wrong direction. Let me double check this.
So we might be lost, but...
Oh, yeah. We gotta turn around. We gotta go north.
Oh no. Okay, well, hey, I like the scenery. Look at that.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was south of Martin. It's north of Martin, so we gotta turn around. Oopsie.
That's okay. I like the old farmhouses around here.
Yeah.
They're still around, which is really cool.
Let's find some
Be careful.
driveway to turn around in.
Alright, turning around. Okay, so we're coming into Martin, Michigan. There's a lot of really cool old farms still here. Lots of old houses here. You don't see that a lot anymore. Just the old small towns.
I think Martin's a pretty good old, I mean, it's an older town. Library, 1918.
It's got some cute old buildings yet. Look at these old homes. That's so cool. That is neat. I miss living in an old home.
That was really old.
Look at that beautiful brick. Whoa, it's bouncy. Pretty. Ah!
It's a little bit of a rough road. Should be right up here on the left.
Okay. Oh. Mobile home, they all look alike. Okay. Interesting.
Another old house up here. That one looks abandoned almost.
Yeah, there are a lot of abandoned looking homes. I don't know if they are abandoned or they just look that way.
I think it's this place right here on the
Okay.
left.
Yeah, there's a lot of cars, so probably. This is the estate we are going to
Yes, I think
get
it's
some
that.
goodies. I didn't buy much. And honestly, I haven't even looked to see what I bought, but I didn't buy much. It wasn't that exciting. Lots of old stuff, but I didn't feel like moving it.
Alright. I'm just
Yeah.
gonna drive through the grass here.
No, no. Oh my god, no. What are you doing? Oh my, you're so embarrassing. I'm gonna give you my debit card and you're gonna pay for it so I don't have to show my face. Oh my gosh, they're looking at us.
I don't know where else to park, so.
Yeah, and the stuff probably is back here somewhere, so.
Yeah. I'll just park right here out of the way.
Look at them, look at us. Ah! Oh, look at that nice little garden. That's nice. Okay. Let's go pick up our stuff. Okay, let's go pay our invoice. And then we'll pick up our goodies. How about that? got some goodies. I should have brought a box. Oh, I was gonna bring my IKEA bag. Yes, yep. All that. Okay, so I'll start grabbing. So I have got $4.72. This one. $4.72. I think I must have won that for what, a couple dollars? $3. Wow. Cute. I wish I would have noticed that. Oh, this is bigger than I thought. These are neat. Look at that.
Yeah.
That is cool. Yeah. If I would have known it was that big, I would have bought it. I thought it was like something little. It's hard to notice, you know, sometimes. They've got it really good organized in here. Look at this old stove. Oh my goodness. Artwork. 561. And I don't know what I bought, so. 561. That's cute. 561. Okay. So this one? Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. And I paid $1 for this. Yay, $1. I'm gonna take it out of this bedroom and it's mine. Okay, now I have group of yard decor items and we'll just have to find that. That's gotta be here somewhere. And I think I won this for like $2. Crazy.
Yeah, it's a really good deal, kid.
Yeah.
Kind of a nice little house.
Yeah, it's nice for older people. Oh, I see it already. Although, is it just those 3 items or is it the bird bath too? I don't know. I'm assuming it's these 3. Look at this cute little area. Isn't that cute? Oh, those are my chairs and the bench.
Okay.
I wanted that card.
I know. I couldn't figure out what to do with it though.
It's so cool. I wanted those galvanized buildings.
Yeah, I was looking at those too. You want some help? I can hand stuff to you.
Well,
You got it? You want me to put
might,
this?
but
Can you put this in your hand? Maybe?
yes. That would be great.
There you go.
Okay.
Okay. So, these. Can you fit all this?
Yeah.
Are these heavy, Andy?
They're solid wood.
Okay. So here's the goodies I got. Fits in there perfectly, right? And we got our goodies all ready to go. This is what I bought. Well, I guess I know what that noise was. It was a deer. I wish I was recording. I almost hit record. And the deer was laying right here. That's what that noise is. That noise is one peeved off deer. Problem solved. Mystery solved. So it's a different day. Good morning. I don't have any makeup on. Just got out of the shower and I'm going to pick some vegetable. Okay, hopefully I don't look too bad today, but that's how it goes sometimes. I'm gonna finish this video. I did it a little bit ago and I've been looking everywhere for that lamp and couldn't find it. And I guess Andy took it back home with him. So that solved that mystery. 2 mysteries solved already today. That is awesome. Let's dive into milk glass lamps. I'm just wondering how much they're worth. Come on along with me. Let's dive into some milk glass. Okay, so here we are in the research tab right here in eBay if you have an eBay store. And we're gonna scroll down and see what kind of milk glass is available out there for lamps. Now, I already did this video and for some reason there was no sound. So I'm gonna try this again. Oh, yay is me. Here is an antique original white gas Eagle Pump milk glass globe lamp, a must-see. This one sold for $23.99. Wow, over $2,000. That is amazing. It is really beautiful. Look at the details of this. And this even had some damage. But if you take good pictures, some people don't mind the damage if they really want the item. And it's beautiful, and it's kind of at the bottom, and most of it's in the back, so you wouldn't really even notice too much. This sold for $1,600.75. And this is an antique pair of a vintage Art Deco mushroom shape, table lamp, brass, and milk glass shade. Look at this beautiful dome. That is pretty. And they did have shipping on top of that price. That's a really beautiful pair. And shipping was almost $500 extra, so somebody really definitely wanted this item. And these sold for $1,400. And this is an amazing pair of Art Deco skyscraper light milk glass pendant lamp tier crown fitter. So I don't know if these are really like the 20s. These kind of look like 60s to 70s to me. A lot of these came out of churches, but they were really popular also in places like bathrooms. I used to call them the boob lamps because that's what they look like to me. But you can definitely find these in that era in churches all over the place. I know the churches around here have these lights in their fellowships. So $1,499 shipping. This one sold for $900 and $17 shipping. Antique blue swan figural art glass. And this is a miniature oil lamp, undamaged. Look at how pretty that is. So milk glass doesn't always have to be white or clear. Sometimes they're flavored. And this one sold for $900 with $82 shipping. And this is an antique Miller New Juno hanging brass and milk glass lamp. Electrified. I remember my grandma used to have one of these hanging right over the dining room table, and they even moved it around for a while for her so she could still enjoy those special pieces that she had in her home, which is really neat. I had no idea that these were actually worth so much money. I'll definitely have to keep my eye out. So one little tip that I have is that if you look at oil lamps, they usually have a name or a date right here, as you can see. This is 1895. It's so cool that they put the dates on these and usually the name brands. And here it says New Juno. So just look very carefully because it should tell you some more about the lamp. And this sold for quite a bit of money. Yay! Definitely keep your eye out for these oil lamps. This one sold for $712 with about $50 shipping. And here's an antique 1897 Victorian oil lamp, green, pink, and purple. This is beautiful. Look at this. I can even see this just setting out as more of a sculpture. Look at how pretty these colors are. They're absolutely beautiful. This one sold for $625 plus $100 shipping. And this is a Fenton Poppy ruffled top shade milk glass globe lamps. And it's a matching pair. How perfect is that? It's perfect for like a bedroom, a nightstand, or like a buffet. This will look really pretty in like a dining room buffet, one on each side. This would be beautiful. Look at these embossed flower details and the beautiful bottoms. These still had the original cords, but you could definitely replace that. Look at how pretty these are. Absolutely beautiful. This sold for $788 plus $75 shipping. Here's a vintage Murano milk glass pink chandelier floral from the 80s. Art Deco lighting. That's a lot of words going on that I don't think really make a lot of sense. I'm just saying. I wouldn't put Murano on here if it didn't say Murano, or if you didn't like notice it out of a Murano catalog, or know where it came from. Also, Art Deco and 80s don't really make any sense to me, so I would not have used this title. But hey, it's sold, so I guess it doesn't really matter, right? Look at this beautiful thing from the 80s. My first glance, I probably would have looked at that and said, oh my word, that's kind of ugly. But you know, this would look pretty in like a ladies' powder room or a dressing room. This would be absolutely gorgeous. Definitely different for sure. So I hope you enjoyed that. Keep your eye out for those milk glass items. So here in my garden, it's full of weeds. This is what it looks like. I did not do good this year, but I've been pulling a lot of peppers and tomatoes off. So I guess that works for me. There's still a bunch down here. I've been trying to water it when I can. I'm not doing good at all about it. But I've been able to at least come down here and have some goodies for myself. And right there is where the deer sleeps. So that's where he's made his home. I wonder why. Next year I need a bigger fence. So for all that wanted to see my garden that I have not kept up, there you go. And there's my pumpkin patch that's not doing so good either. Next year, I think what I'm going to do is round this all up, and next year I will have a nice fresh garden, hopefully, and it will be fun because I love doing a garden. I'm going to pick my goodies for a salad today, and then I am going to spray this down while I'm out here. There's even some random tomatoes out here. Look at that. Ooh, yummy. So even though I haven't been taking very good care of this garden, it's taking care of me.